On the 5th of February, the people of Pakistan and many other nations of the world will be remembering the freedom of the people of Kashmir. The people of Kashmir have been struggling for their right and for their freedom for over 60 years. We have been celebrating this day for the past 32 plus years. It is now high time that the three actors involved in this issue, that is Pakistan, India, and the people of Kashmir, sit down in an environment of trust, try to resolve the problem for the betterment of all the three actors, and also giving in to what the majority of the people of Kashmir want. We want to thank all those brothers and sisters and friends who support the cause of human rights. And we believe that this is a cause which has been neglected for too long, and further negligence will cause damage to the life of a lot of people. Since India claims to have a hold on Kashmir, anything that is negative is the responsibility of India, and it damages the image of India itself. Therefore, this matter should be resolved, and Pakistan wants peace in the sub-region. Once this matter has been resolved, I think this whole region would become a superpower in the world, and peace will prevail and justice will be done. May God bless the people of Kashmir.